I'm back on my journey to find the best poke in Hawaii, and we're headed up to Oahu's North Shore. Our first stop is Poke for the People. It's a hole-in-the-wall serving up some unique flavors. Our second stop is Stonefish Grill with their signature prime rib poke. I'm really excited to try it, so let's head down to the beach. I was just at Stonefish Grill, and I just met Kimmy Werner. If you haven't seen her video, she does like catch and cook videos, she does spear fishing, and she was also on, what is that channel called? It's Alive. I got 4 different kinds of poke. They're known for their shoyu poke. I'm gonna try to take a picture without getting sand in my food. This one is like the ninniku poke. This is prime rib poke. Spicy ahi, and I got it topped with unagi sauce, the masago, and the shoyu ahi. So in my other video, I reviewed the shoyu poke and the spicy ahi poke from Sushi Bay. And I said those are gonna be like the 2 that I always have to rate. Shoyu poke is like the classic Hawaiian poke. Oyster sauce, shoyu, onions. Before I said that I didn't really like shoyu poke, I just feel like it's kind of plain. But this one's pretty good. Almost like a teriyaki sauce. And these onions are like almost pickled. It goes really well together. Rating this one, 8.3, but it's not amazing. This is the spicy ahi. Thought it was supposed to be poke, but it's like minced. There's like no texture to it. The lomi oil that I tried from Uncle Hollick's is almost on the verge of being that type of texture. Pretty spicy too. She recommended I put unagi sauce on it, but now it only tastes like unagi sauce, so I feel like this isn't even fair. I give this one an 8. I probably wouldn't get this again. It's not bad. Texture's just weird. Trying all these different kinds of poke costs almost $30, but I don't think it's worth $30. I got some rice too. I think this is short grain rice. Very sticky for some reason. Ninniku. I have no clue what this is. I think it's a different type of fish. But this sauce is, might just be like toasted sesame, salt, and freaking mayonnaise. This one, like a 4. And this is the masago. Masago is like little fish eggs. They put wasabi oil in this, and it tastes absolutely terrible. I actually can't taste anything else. This one, like a 2. Actually like a 0. That was poke for the people. If I'm up here, I'll eat it, but I'll never go out of my way to try that again. Mango passion fruit tea though. This one is good. Finally, this is the prime rib poke. It's supposed to be like medium rare prime rib. I got it takeout, so it's probably a little bit overcooked. This one has sea asparagus. The steak's kind of dry. The flavor is like carne asada. I tried this one before. This one isn't terrible, but it's not good. My favorite part about this whole thing is the sea asparagus. Unique, underrated vegetable. Before when I tried this, it was way better. I would have gave it an 8 something, but this one is like a 7. I'll usually eat the rest of this, but I'm not feeling that right now. I do have one more surprise though. This is from the same place I got the prime rib from, Stonefish Grill. There's this chain in the Midwest called Spangles, and the texture on the outside of this fry is super similar, and it tastes almost like it too. Also got some ranch to dip it with as well. Pretty fun day, guys. Pretty relaxing. I never really get to go to the beach on the weekdays. I just feel like I don't have enough time in my day. This just proved that you can make time for it if you really want it. But yeah, the prime rib poke, pretty disappointing today. I was betting on that one to be delicious. Shoyu poke, it actually surprised me that it was good because it's just not my favorite flavor. And poke is so versatile that you can have so many different kinds. Like, why stick to the plain old basic one, you know?